Once Holly gets up here, you're going to see Rick pull the climbing rope up and out of the way. He's going to hand Holly the rope that's tucked underneath his leg. Holly's going to step off the platform and exchange ropes directly over center stage. This behavior in the wild is called breakgating, hand-over-hand or locomotion. Took us about... Set. He's going to swim over and he's going to attack the gator. Are you ready? Hey! Sees that Brendan's in trouble. So he rushes to his side. She grabs him by the arm and she drags him to safety. Very nice. But he's swirling with a celebrate folks. The gator's still here. Shot, what are you going to do? Good idea. Now, folks, don't try this at home. Lassie's a trained demolitions expert. Watch this. Quick, Lassie. You better take cover. That thing's gonna blow. Yeah, let's hear for Lassie. She's safe today. Oh, look who it is. Mr. Chicken Man. We're gonna give Benji the dramatic ending scene to our movie. Pretend he fought the gator. He's tired and hurt. He's gonna struggle his way back to Brendan. 4 items of clothing, hat, shirt, whatever. You're gonna tell those to Lassie and she's gonna run backstage and get them for you, okay? So have a seat. She's gonna come up there and join you. Now whisper those 2 items into Lassie's ear. Hat, shirt, whatever. One more. All right, that's 2. Good girl, Lassie, go get him. This is not a trick, it's a behavior that took 6 months to train Lassie. Lately, she's been perfect. She's digging around. Oh, she brought out a hat. Tell me, Brendan, did you ask for a hat, yes or no?
Yes.
He did. She got the first one right. Good girl, Lassie, go get the second one. No, man, you don't get to keep it. She's gonna go 2 for 2. Let's see what else Brendan asked for. Brendan! You asked for this? I can't. Look what you did. Take this, go finish up your shower. Put some clothes on. Oh, that's a lot of birds. You guys did a great job. And Brendan, for helping us out, we're going to bring out the big dog to say thank you. Beethoven. Come on over here, say hello to Brendan for me. Yeah, go and give him a kiss. No, that kiss is up here. There you go. Kiss the dog. nice for all these people.
Don't be a hypocrite. You know I only talk to you and Wilbur because deep down I know you're a horse too.
All right, that's pretty good. Hold on just a second. The guy sitting up there with the tan shirt on, you look totally amazed by all this. As soon as the horse started to talk, yeah, turn around. Don't turn around, I'm talking to you. As soon as the horse started to talk, he went.
Any way you want. Hey, I better get out of here. I'm playing poker with Wilbur in 15 minutes, and I'm bringing the deal.
So you have it straight from the horse's mouth. That's the one and only Mr. Ed. Right now, your first special treat, we're going to bring out the star of the show. You might recognize her from the Flintstones, the Beverly Hillbillies, and Dunston checks in. This is Ginny. Yeah, show that pretty smile. Show those cameras. All the way out there. Yeah, look at these big goofy lips. Show them. Yeah. My grandma. Mick Jagger. That's good. That's when we just came down. That's Ginny's favorite toy. It's the most exciting part of the show, right? It's very exciting, especially when she gets in front of a... You like the swing? Yes, it's very exciting. Are you making fun of me? You gonna do it again? No. Sorry, she never... What do you want?